Ediasianos of Penyah Reverend Kusi Boateng on the church secretary. Police for Ensa Kawomo is here the Omo police for Kukumo for investigations. Now in this particular video, no, memo adia portia a see identical of Penyah on the secretary. Akwachi Umbone Benumaye. Memo bibia into details. Aha Penyah Block Media. Mess also any demo. Over like a video, no other or subscribe button as well click the question icon for latest updates. Now better watching Eddie Mama ever comment section. Obaswa, no watch a video na maonia so enya bi ahwe no hu de ekoso ewo my konkono Ghana hano. Entities of Penyah Reverend Kusi Boateng that's of friend no Power Chapel Worldwide. Yes. Power Chapel Worldwide na of Nasafuna worldwide. Kowiase afana enya na. Kowiase afana enya na Reverend Kusi Boateng. Na yebekaya Omoa National Cathedral Board of Trustees Board of Committee of Reformers Omona National Cathedral no. That Reverend Kusi Boateng okan hu bi. How does say? Okan hu bi. At the end of the day, you say National Cathedral so for ni aban ni nyina ka bo mutwe Ghana for ni Nyankopon nyina edie eno no kwa no a place significant role and the MPP ego opposition senator mungo suya de se be ya se mo hye bo se mu yi bibia sika ne ba mo de be ye na enra ana news no broke out say Reverend Kusi Boateng yache no. I am taking this from my Joy News Online. Let's read. A key member of the National Cathedral Board of Trustees, Reverend Kusi Boateng, is reportedly in the custody of the National Investigations Bureau, that is NIB. That's a man about Edia say NIB for answer Aquacan Kusi Boateng and National Cathedral, or more buying a power, Omer D. Ano, which is Omer Dano, or can be a buying answer Akana. According to Accra-based City News, the secretary to the trustees and preacher, also known as Kwabena Edujemfi, has been detained as part of an investigation into allegation of possessing multiple identities. Kusi Boateng yache no ama ne church secretary a yefre no Edujemfi so yache no Kwabena Edujemfi so yache no ni nyina ye yebekaya 2023 ni mu ana it was alleged say Kusi Boateng of Penyah okra identity card mienu. What I say? It or double identity. Ewa Ghana ha. Okra Ghana card mienu ebia the different details and also. It enumu and I say yakwachi no. In January 2023, mekanye Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, member of parliament for North Tongue constituency, petitioned the Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice, that is bracket Raj, to investigate the secretary of the National Cathedral Board of Trustees, Reverend Victor Kusi Boateng, over conflict of interest, including possession of multiple identities and other alleged criminal dealings. There 2023 January 2023 Nimono, Anna North Tongue constituency member of parliament, Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, Edit Krata Eko Raj, Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice. Eko say no. National Cathedral na kufa tia na Reverend Kusi Boateng ayo mu secretary no. Sa man no mi hu nyema yi. Munya hwehwemu wonu because camera so okura. Nipa ba ko oye mienu o Ghana because okura two identities. Ana other criminal cases be. Kratasisheni dream be and humbom be ti munya hwehemu wonu because maintain your mass. Till 2023 ana Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa advocate this particular case. However, a report by Traj in November 2024 indicated that he holds one passport with the name Kwabena Edujemfi and has never been issued a passport with the name Kusi Boateng as claimed. And the Omoche Kusi Boateng Omoche na yi kan ho ne secretary church secretary kan ho omoche dem say there's only ne boss Kusi Boateng omo de Ghana for adwin di agro. Omo me no omo e dual identity just say Kusi Boateng esa wodi na eye Kwabena Edujemfi ana Kwabena Edujemfi so eza o edin a eye Kusi Boateng to mienu no there be here Kusi Boateng oni wo no Kwabena Edujemfi timi ko akwa o show ni document just o Kusi Boateng yes omu play car play role but in 2024 no judge e ba say no claim na Okudzeto Ablakwa make against Kusi Boateng enya no kure every say omu ko mo no Kusi Boateng or one eyipe and the church secretary so one identity we need passport be in the name of Reverend Kusi Boateng said amount for a legend. Mr. Okudzeto Ablakwa's petition, which was received by the two deputy commissioners of SHRAJ, had also alleged that there was a transfer of 2.6 million Ghana cedis in cash from the National Cathedral Secretariat to JNS Talent Center Limited, owned by Reverend Kusi Boateng under his secondary identity, Kwabena Edujemfi. Okudzeto Ablakwa alleged say National Cathedral na unia Kusi Boateng secretary no. There was a transfer of 2.6 million Ghana cedis. Almost transferred 26 billion old Ghana cedis. Every National Cathedral coffers mu. Echo JNS Talent Center. Kusi Boateng, or believe it, Kusi Boateng there. But that talent center no. Anybody crowd your owner. Kwabena Edujemfi. But Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa there. O believe we say that Kwabena Edujemfi na edina daso. The second identity of Kusi Boateng, but on behalf of kind of correct. There has been a transfer of 2.6 million Ghana cedis in cash from National Cathedral Secretariat to JNS Talent Center Limited. However, the commission came to the conclusion that no service was rendered by the GNS Talent Center Limited, owned by Reverend Kusi Boateng under his secondary identity, Kwabena Edujemfi. And it's almost like the claim. There's a claim Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa making against Kusi Boateng in SHRAJ. The idea. One, most or the identity. SHRAJ. The identity, the claim. Two, most Okudzeto Ablakwa said there has been a transfer of 2.6 million Ghana from the coffers of National Cathedral to JNS Talent Center Limited. According to Okudzeto Ablakwa, it is owned by Reverend Kusi Boateng in his second identity, Kwabena Edujemfi. And also, the SHRAJ debunked the idea. Reverend Kusi Boateng offered to pay contractors of the National Cathedral because at the time, the National Cathedral was not in good financial standing. And so that the monies that were transferred to him were monies owed him for paying contractors of the project. Omo say, DNTia Omo debunked the idea said 2.6 million Ghana cedis has been transferred illegally from the coffers of National Cathedral to, Reverend Kusi Boateng ne bank account mo no. Omo say, Kusi Boateng kra no, na on a secretary to National Cathedral Board of Trustees no. And it got to a time now I was a cathedral and Omo project to be, which is Omo kon I also mo pay contractors. But not that time no, National Cathedral no any sika. 18 as member of committee in there, any obo, board no bosia. Obo cathedral constructors, obo mo bosia sa Kenya munyi sika we mfanye. And the blessing ya cathedral no enya sika no, and omo transfer sika no back to Reverend Kusi Boateng. Na say transfer na unu ya kaso mo sika about the no correct, but the idea behind it no enya no correct. Meanwhile, SHRAJ recommended an investigation and possible prosecution of the Board of Trustees of the National Cathedral Project. Now, so fine, a woman says, "Siskano, Odi Bobosia, Anna was Adua de Yatias here." Now, so National Cathedral, in remove air cost because Sika 26 billion, and Yama Sika, my at the end of the day, you heard the state of National Cathedral. That's it, Sika now Moke Kano. It doesn't make sense. It's an idea. Though sika na transfer call Reverend Kusi Boateng account no there. E boss no this sika ball cathedral board no. What I say any transfer money back. But National Cathedral no there. Asem ho a and on a SHRAJ eto so then. It is also recommended that the Auditor General conduct a forensic audit on the construction of the National Cathedral project from its inspection to date. On the issue of identities, Mr. Kwabena voiced dissatisfaction with the report. In an interview on Joy News, The Pulse on Monday, November 25th, 2024, Mr. Ablakwa expressed surprise at SHRAJ findings, claiming the commission only scratched the surface of the allegations concerning double identity and of conflict of interest. Now, November 2025, November 2024, 25th November, Ablakwa any join is for a interview e wa Accra e no chem say no in fact I no nwanwa a surprise na say complaints and allegations I want make against Kusi Boateng nyina no Shrad says Shrad ebedo enye no kre na say Shrad kra no there's a question mark now say onye okay. He argued that Shrad failed to fully examine all the evidence presented, relying solely on passport documentation. Shrad afili enema media bro concerning dual identity no. E was enka nema media about me a forensic investigation. Ultimate forensic auditing. Ukomu ye kwahwe e bia nanka bibi e wo mu. Ente his dissatisfactory no and then when okay my prison succeeded in a larger part regarding procurement breaches and corruption related offenses. Mr. Ablakwa, however, maintained that Shrad overlooked over identification documents such as driver's licenses and Ghana card, which he submitted as part of his petition in January 2023. It means that this case, if 2023, and Ablakwa, wabo, but 2025 in a trouble by year, Minister for Foreign Affairs, now the ball is in his court. He has supremacy over this. Eti na Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa asa atwe Kusi Boateng akodina case akodina abanyanim wama BNI for and I say NIB National Investigation Bureau akofa Kusi Boateng say omo be nhwemu ne for course 2023 no de na e wo aban na ete so e na say nema ayetro kan but we am aban ne de me kwa me for me na me foreign minister njane me be hwe niema mu yie se e ho nkwase jawa ye be jawa ba won ye kwase udemu a obedem enti wey enti ana akwachi Kusi Boateng concerning double identity any national cathedral incident obetima kire wa dwen e wo comment section aha Penyah blog media